After using this tool to read the key code, how can we cut the car key from it? This time we use a VW lock as an example. The key type is HU66, so we use the tool to read the codes out. After we open the lock, we can read the key code one by one. HU66 has 8 bindings. Click Cut by binding on the CNC machine. Find HU66. Choose HU66. Read the system's note. Use M5 clamp with side B up. The key's ally way is shoulder ally. Fix the key in place. Type in the key code you got. Press Cut. Start cutting process. Brush off the debris. Turn the key around. Start cutting the other side. Now the new key is done. If you like our video, please give us a like. I'm Yasser from Godiac. Follow us for more information.